life's simplicities beyond the complexities. The values of commitment, compassion, competence, moral integrity, simplicity, and honesty are now well ingrained in your being. As your mentors, we believe that we did good because look at you, the young professionals that we produced. And I would like to say, you've exceeded our expectations. You tried your best a while ago, I know. Huh? Trying to keep silent, that was already your best. Maybe beyond. What is important is that you are still here. This is not a real goodbye, only a goodbye for now. Till then, and see you in a while. Find it in your heart to come back to your alma mater. See how you can help the future generations of Thomasian students, how you can give in return, especially to the needy students of the Faculty of Arts and Letters. And wherever you will be, regardless of what it is that you are still trying to achieve by then, and no matter your circumstances, do come home in 2011. So that together, we can commemorate and celebrate our university's 4 centuries of glorious existence. With God's unending grace, we promise, we your mentors, we promise to wait for you. And now, with great faith in our hearts for the Thomasian spirit and the genuine love for our alma mater, let us all stand